This is our FR120 outdoor wireless frog speaker. Now we're going to take a look at what's in the box. First off, you'll get a quick start guide which tells you how to set them up. And let's see here. We've got one remote control, transmitter, power supply for your transmitter. We've got one mini jack to mini jack cable, one mini jack to RCA cable, and of course the frog speakers. Which also come with their own power supply. So basically, you want to take your transmitter and your power supply, and then this needs to be plugged into a wall outlet. And then you have the choice of using this mini jack to mini jack plug, in which you can plug one end into the transmitter and the other end can go directly into an iPhone or MP3 player or directly into your stereo receiver out of the headphone jack. Or you can use this cable, in which the mini jack plugs in there, and then on the other end is standard RCA plugs, which can go into the back of your stereo receiver on the output. Okay, on the bottom of the frog speaker, you can go ahead and use 6 AA batteries, or you can use the power supply, in which you plug in right here. And this also needs to be plugged into a wall outlet. Now these two wireless frog speakers are connected so that the power source from your AC power supply or from your batteries will power both speakers. That power going to both your transmitter and your wireless frog speakers. Go ahead and power the frog speakers on, and the green signal light will come on, meaning that it's ready to accept a signal. And then once you turn this on, you also need to take your remote control and just hit the on-off button once at both of the frog speakers, and you should hear them both power on. Now once you do this, once you play music through the transmitter, you'll hear the sound through the wireless frog speakers. Now this transmitter operates on a 2.4 gigahertz frequency. Sometimes if you have a wireless landline phone or other wireless electronic components in the house, it can interfere with the signal. So what we've done to fix that is there's a channel button on the back of the transmitter, in which you just hit the channel button once, and then go ahead and take your remote control and hit the on-off button once, pointing it at the transmitter. Now listen to see if you hear any music through the wireless speakers. If you don't hear anything, go ahead and just hit the on-off button again, and then listen for your music signal. And just go ahead and cycle through all the channels until you hear music coming out the wireless speakers. And that is our FR120 wireless frog speakers.